Did you know Python recently added walrus operator? It was added in Python 3.8. This video will show what walrus operator does and why it is added, how it is useful for developers. As per Python documentation, walrus operator is an assignment operator. Let's take an example to understand what that means. As you can see here, we have a list named A. It has 4 elements and we are doing if operation based on length of list. Now, in traditional way, we declare n as length of A, that is our list, but now we can just use walrus operator like this. So this function will run if we run it. So this will give us this answer, but now let's use walrus operator. So now this also gives us the same answer. So we are saving here one line of code. Seems like we are only saving one line of code here, but it really adds up when we have 1000 lines of code. I hope this video helped you understand the basic concept of walrus operator. Please like this video and subscribe the channel for more such content.